Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are making the softest, most moist carrot cake ever. Seriously, if you've only had dry, crumbly carrot cake before, forget it. Cause this one is rich, flavorful, and just melt in your mouth. And I'm so excited to share with you this recipe for a soft and super moist carrot cake if you ever had. And as you can see here, it is packed with grated fresh carrots, crunchy walnut, and warm spices. And this cake is very irresistible because of its rich flavor and tender crumbs. Plus, it is easy to make. So come on, let's get started. And here are the ingredients needed. Okay, it's time to bake. We'll pop this beauty into the oven and let it do its thing. And look at this. Golden brown, perfectly risen, and so tempting. Ooh, come on. Let's slice into it. Ah, just look at that. Moist and tender and really packed with flavors. And those little bits of carrots and nuts, that's perfection. Okay, and that's all for today, folks. And if you try this recipe, please let me know how it turns out. And I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell down below so you won't miss any delicious recipes. So see you next time. Happy baking! And thanks for watching, guys. Do take care, stay well. God bless. Bye!